This stunning pool of rainbow water looks like paradise, but one wrong step means instant death. And it's not even the most dangerous place on our list. Welcome to the Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone, a thermal wonder where vibrant colors are created by bacteria thriving in lethally hot, acidic water. It's a perfect illusion of tranquility, but what about a place where the danger is explosive and unpredictable? We travel to the Democratic Republic of Congo, to the edge of the Nyiragongo volcano, home to the world's largest permanent lava lake. This churning cauldron of molten rock is a terrifying spectacle, but its real threat lies in its silence. Unlike many volcanoes, Nyiragongo can erupt with little to no warning, sending rivers of lava at highway speeds towards populated areas, as it did in 2002. So how can we know when it will strike again? The truth is, we can't fully predict it, which is what makes it so terrifying. Yet even this ticking time bomb isn't the most dangerous place of all. The final location is a force of nature so vast and powerful, it dwarfs all others. Subscribe to Birdseye Travel for more 4K aerial journeys.